Are the rumors really true about the real estate housing market and it's going into a slump or a recession for 2020? Well, I have some really important information for you in this market snapshot to help buyers and sellers feel more comfortable about moving into the future. I'm Denise Swick with Remax Performance, and I hope you enjoy the information. So let's start with home affordability. Across the country, Fannie Mae says that the home affordability is a big issue for a lot of people. According to them, 62% of all the renters out there cite that home affordability, whether they're renting or looking to buy, is an obstacle. According to the same study, 47% of homeowners say that they're having to cut back on non-essential things, even food, in order to afford their mortgage payments. Well, I can tell you here in the Miami Valley, we are so fortunate. It's just not that way. So when you look at our statistics speaking, interest rates over the last 48 years have been from a high of 18.63% down to a low in 2012 of only 3.31%. That's almost free money, you guys. So let's look at right now what's happening 2018 compared to 2019. So in that time span, year to date, there have been 100 less homes that have sold than last year. However, what's interesting to see is that interest rates are almost a full point lower than last year, meaning that now they're 3.7-ish on a 30-year fixed, and a 4.5 was where they were last year. So interestingly enough, year to date in this market, from the $50,000 price range to the $200,000 price range, which constitutes a large majority of the Dayton market, probably 80% or more, is there were actually 308 less sales this year compared to last year in that moderate, mid-range price range from 50 to 200,000. What's interesting though is from the $200,000 to $400,000 price range, there were actually 216 more homes that have sold this year than last year. From the $400,000 to $600,000 price range, there were 105 more homes that have sold this year than last year. And above 600,000, my friends, there were actually a grand total of only 86 homes, and that's not a lot for the entire Miami Valley. But the good news is that that's still 10 more homes that have sold this year than last year over 600,000. So clearly you can see with the strong market being almost the same as last year, interest rates being lower has really only affected prices from the 200,000 up market because buyers can actually pay more for homes right now. So if you're thinking of selling, now is the opportune time to get in the market and get it done. If you're looking for a free market evaluation, please feel free to go on, no obligation, to DaytonRealEstateOnline.com. Hope you enjoyed this information. If we can help in any way, please feel free to give us a call and look forward to our next updates. Thanks again for tuning in and have an awesome day.